जी वालेकुम सलाम।
Farooq Saab, good news today. Hong Kong, Fidelity Investment Management's Hong Kong is bullish on Pakistan. Comments and reactions from a big fund coming to Pakistan?
I think that's very positive. I heard part of the discussion that you were having, and we are also bullish on Pakistan. And it's good to see that a major house like Fidelity is also coming to the same conclusion and recognizing that. And मेरे ख्याल में कि obviously there are issues, there are challenges जो कल finance minister ने भी highlight किए थे. Many of those challenges are common to developing countries, especially to oil importing countries. Some of the challenges are obviously peculiar to Pakistan itself. But at the same time, there is a lot of growth, there is a lot of momentum and opportunities in the economy as well. So I hope that now with the new government taking control of things, they will come out with their economic plans, which will capitalize on the strengths and tackle the challenges.
Okay, Farooq Saab, capital gains पर मीडिया में काफी डिबेट हो रही है. कल भी दार साहब से सवाल किया गया था. You said अभी फिलहाल कुछ भी है ना कबल इस वक्त होगा, लेकिन I believe in a progressive taxation structure. What does that statement tell us? और capital gains लगना चाहिए नहीं लगना चाहिए मईशत की सूरत-ए-हाल देखते हुए?
देखिए, right now already there are a number of taxes in the stock market. जैसे CVT है, withholding tax वगैरह है. उसके अलावा आई थिंक ब्रॉडर पिक्चर देखकर आई एम श्योर गवर्नमेंट और MOF जो है वो डिसाइड करेगी, क्योंकि देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन दैट द गवर्नमेंट नीड्स टू फोकस ऑन एंड द प्राइवेट सेक्टर नीड्स टू फोकस ऑन, जिसके अंदर स्टॉक मार्केट और कैपिटल मार्केट्स कैन प्ले अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. I think if there is some movement towards the sensible capital gains tax, that may not be too bad, but it really depends to a large extent on how it's handled. और वो सारे स्टेक होल्डर्स को कंसल्ट करके इस चीज़ को करें तो आई थिंक इतना डिस्ट्रप्टिव नहीं होएगा. आफ्टर ऑल अगर गेन्स बनेंगे तो तभी टैक्स देंगे ना लोग.
ओके, एज फार एज जो बजट के हवाले से जो स्टेटमेंट्स दिए हैं कि शायद फिस्कल चैलेंजेस नहीं मीट हो, कैन दैट बर्डन द इकोनॉमी अ बिट, particularly in the next fiscal year?
देखिए, government expenditure has obviously spiraled up. Some of it due to external factors like the oil price जिसको subsidize किया जा रहा है, and as well as other commodity prices like wheat etc. And some of them I'm sure due to the political situation and the lack of direction that's been in the country for the last few months. So in that condition, it's very important to generate as much revenue as you can, particularly if the focus has to be on developmental and infrastructure.
With that, Farooq Saab, the show comes to an end. Thank you very much for giving us your opinions on capital gains and giving us a reaction on Fidelity.